Alright guys, looks like had success on the 3/8 countersink holes. I've now put a new bit in. I've got a 1/4 inch end mill, flat end, and I'll be running this tool path, which is kind of clears out the material. You can see it goes in between, removes a lot of the bulk material that's not needed. So that is a horizontal roughing pass, and that is the next on the list. So I got again Mach 3 and the controller. Actually, the controller's running a Gecko 540 controller and the box I built to house it. So here we go. Check it out, see if we don't make a major mistake. Okay, getting ready to start the cycle. Well, we'll see how it runs.